Hello everyone. My name is Breon Mills and I would like to welcome you back to my channel. All right, I just want to talk about one of my favorite stocks I think is going to do very well in the future. PLTR, Palantir. Is Palantir Technologies the best tech stock around $10? And this article came out on November 3rd. Now, it's been a little over a month since Palantir Technologies went public at $7.25 a share, up almost 40% through October 30th. I'm left wondering if PLTR stock is the best bet among tech stocks trading around $10. According to FinViz, there are 14 stocks within $5 of the October 30th closing price of $10.13 and possessing a market capitalization greater than $2 billion. Here are my 2 cents on Palantir. It's hard to believe this is my first time writing about a company and possibly a candidate or two trading around $10 that might make a good long-term bet. Why the bulls like PLTR stock? As I said in the intro, I've never have written about Palantir, although I was certainly aware of the company given it was a leading candidate to go public over the past 2 years. From an elevator pitch perspective, Palantir data analytics focus makes it an attractive tech play. Now, I'm saying this without looking at its prospectus or getting some opinions from my investor place colleagues. Tom Tilley, Dana Blackenhorn, Matt McCall, and Josh Enomoto are 4 investor place contributors. I look for second opinions when it comes to tech. I'm surprised I haven't seen Luke Lango's name on a Palantir article. He's big into tech as well. I'm sure his name will pop up soon enough. In the meantime, I've digested all 4 contributors' thoughts on the secretive company backed by Peter Thiel, who co-founded PayPal and was an early Facebook investor. Tom Tilley recently suggested that Palantir's Tiberius project to help with the rollout of a COVID-19 vaccine could lead to huge gains for PLTR stock. I think anything that can help us manage our way through this horrible pandemic is kind of value-added investors will buy into. On Matt McCall's October 27th video podcast, Moneyline, he provided viewers with his 2 cents on Palantir. They had $742 million in revenue last year. It's looking by 2024 to go to $3 billion. So it's bound to have some nice growth, but it's already a $16 billion company, McCall stated on Moneyline. Next year, it's looking for about just over a billion, so it's just 16 times sales next year. It probably will be slightly profitable in a couple of years. Not there yet. Wow. So this is just a little small article that I found on PLTR that I wanted to share. Now let's take a look at the stock. Okay, today is currently trading around $15. All right, now let's take a look at the financials. All right, when you want to invest long term in a company, that's something that you would like to take a look at is the income statement. So we can see here, 2018, they were just under $600 million in revenue. 2019, they were at just over $742 million in revenue. Okay, and year to date, they're at $900 million in revenue. So you can clearly see the year over growth of this company. Okay, all right, now here's the issue is the debt. Okay, so a lot of times when your big boys are paying attention to these companies, they like to look at the net income. All right, and the net income is negative $473 million. Okay, so that's basically saying their revenue, right, pretty much all going out of the door to pay off loans or other investments they made into their company. All right, again, and the cash flow. So again, repayment of debt. See, they have $400 million in debt. All right. All right. Operating cash flow negative 51 million. So they're $51 million in the hole. So they're deep in debt. All right. But as you can see, as the year by year revenue increases, they will have an opportunity to pay off that debt. And as more investors come in, it increases the market capitalization, and they'll be able to use some of that money to pay off their debt. All right. So take a look at 2019. They were $165 million in debt. All right. So now they've decreased their debt substantially. All right. All right, so it appears that this company is actually headed in a great direction, and you have an opportunity to really get in on this stock on the ground floor. Okay, you don't want to be thinking that next year when this stock is around $60 or $70, you're gonna be kicking yourself. Buy some shares now. All right, even if it's one share, just to watch it and see how it operates. Okay. All right, I hope you like this short video. All right, keep coming back for more wealth building information. Give me a like, hit the subscribe button if this is your first time checking me out. Okay. All right, peace.